Let's see first Alok Web Text. In here, what I updated. In here, you can see new effect. Yeah, I will preview this in here. Then after, in here you can see apply mode. You can change to anything, and I just want to change this over to a top. Then after, I just want to untick this blanking and control little bit left, and I will increase little bit this width and width height also, and I will increase soft edge little bit more, and I will move to right. Now you can see here affecting color. Yeah, when I decrease this, see here automatically following text. This is update, and you can also decrease this blend mode, and you can also change this and this also. Now let's talk about text selector. In here you can see brand new control, left circle control and right circle control. In horizontal all is good. When I switch to vertical, I see like little bit this circle was gone downside and this circle was upside. Yeah, just we should to move little bit up, and this right circle control little bit down. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video.